So today I'll be showing you how to scan documents with your Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra. Now I'll be showing you how to actually scan a document and save it as a PDF. So to do this, there are plenty of ways to do this actually, but the easiest way and the best way is to use the Samsung Notes app. Now this app comes pre-installed on every Samsung device, including the S25 series. So all you have to do is launch that app, and then you want to tap on this icon here to create a new document. So let's go ahead and create a new document. Now on this new document, what you want to do now is tap on the plus symbol at the top there. And once you tap on it, select scan. Okay, so you can see scan. So just tap on that. And then now that's going to open the camera viewfinder. Of course, if it's the first time, you're going to have to give a few permissions. Okay, but eventually that opens up the camera viewfinder. And what you need to do is take your document and place it in the camera viewfinder. And you want to place it as straight as possible. Just take your time to align it properly. And once you align it well, and there's a yellow border around it, you can now just tap on the shutter button to snap, and it's going to get captured. Now once it gets captured, if you are not aligned properly, then you might see some edges which are a bit off, which you can adjust. But if you don't want to adjust, you can always tap on retake and try again. Okay, so I'm just gonna try again here. Let's try and take a better scan like that. That's not exactly better. Let's try again. That's better. Okay, now once you do that, tap on done. It's gonna get saved, and then now if your document has multiple pages, you can now go to the next page and scan it as well. So we have a second page here, which I'm going to scan just now. Snap it up. Okay, and then you can adjust it if you don't like the edges and stuff like that, and then tap on done. And then you can even go, let's scan 3 pages. Okay, I'm just going to go to this, make sure the document is as flat as possible. All right, and then now place it in the viewfinder again and snap it up. And you can see the more pages you take, the more pages get added here. So right now you can see it has 3 as a count, so it means we have 3 pages. Now assuming our document is 3 pages, now tap on save, and now you can see your document. Okay, so you can see the different pages of your document if you scroll. Okay, so from here you can readjust anything. So if you want to make it bigger, you can do that. If you want to make it smaller, you can do that. We have an empty page here, which I'm just going to get rid of. So now our document is like that: first page, second page, and third page. Okay, so now that our document is ready, if you want to add any text, you can add. If you want to customize a few things, if you tap on the 3 dots, you can actually see a whole menu of things you can customize. You can edit a cover page for this document. You can sort out the pages. You can add collaborators. You can even change the background. There's so many things you can do, but once you're done with all that, tap on save as file, and then it's going to give you different formats. You can save it as a notes file, or a PDF file, or a Microsoft Word file, or a PowerPoint file, image file, text file, whatever it is that you want. Now let's go ahead and select PDF file, and then it's going to open up your files app. Select where you want to save it. Normally you'd save this in the documents folder, so I'll just select documents, tap on done, and then give my document a name. I'll call this open run manual, like that, and then tap on save. So it's going to prepare or convert this into a PDF document, and now you can see open run manual has been saved. So now anytime I go to the files app and then go to the documents folder, I should find my document there as a PDF, and I can open it anytime using any PDF reader. Let me just use Samsung Notes, and there is my PDF document which I just scanned. Okay, so that is basically how to scan documents and save them as PDF with your Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra without installing any app. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.